The spool retainer consists of a plastic knob with a captive bolt. Common reasons to replace the spool retainer are: the knob is worn so the metal bolt is exposed, the plastic knob has stripped out around the bolt so it can no longer turn the bolt when you rotate the knob, or the bolt has rusted or seized to the spindle and you need to break the plastic off so you can put a wrench on the bolt. Replacing the spool retainer is an easy repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old spool retainer. It just simply unscrews from the shaft. Now I can install the new spool retainer. I thread it firmly into place. And it's ready to go. And that's how easy it is to install a new spool retainer on your trimmer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.